Okay?
Okay.
Yung may tanong sa atin, paano daw kunin yung yung weekly food cost or monthly food cost? Explain ko sa inyo ng mas detail. Okay? Kailangan muna natin ng usage. Ayun muna natin usage divide into sales times 100. Okay. Paano naman kunin yung usage? Pag kinukuha naman ng usage, ganito po yan. Beginning inventory plus purchases minus ending inventory is equal to usage. For example, ang beginning mo 100,000 pesos na lang plus 100,000 pa rin yung purchases mo, ima-minus mo yung ending, kunyari 100,000 din yung ending inventory. So ang mangyayari niyan is 100,000 yung usage. Okay, so ilalagay mo dito yung usage 100k. Kung ang benta mo is 1 million, okay, 1 million. Ang mangyayari niyan, 100k divided into 1 million times 100. So, yun po yung magiging food cost. Ang food cost niyan, 1 million divided to 100k divided to 1 million is 10.1 times 100. So, magiging 10% yung food cost mo sa isang buwan. Okay? Yun lang po yun.